good afternoon sa inyo lahat. Good afternoon. Anyways, thank you for giving us your time for today. Ako nga pala si Juan Carlos, I'm playing the character of Jasper. Di ko alam kung ano yung apelido ni Jasper. Nakalimutan ko na. Pero yun na yun. Thank you.
Pero ang swerte ng si Vivian, meron siyang Jasper. No?
Mas swerte siya. Ang swerte ni Vivian talaga.
Kasi, actually, kala mo kasi wala nang hope eh. Tapos dumating ka. Di ba?
Exactly.
Ang ganda-ganda ng character. Ay, ang ganda rin ang role mo dito.
DJ naman. Before sa lahat ng press, maraming salamat sa inyong pagpunta. Siyempre ngayon na lang ulit ako nakakita ng ganitong karami na press na mag-host ng ating press con. Yes. So, nasanay tayo na medyo unti-unti na yung mga taong pumupunta pero ngayon sobrang lahat for reason. Yes. Thank you. Bali yung role ko dito si Benj, isa akong rockstar na cameraman ni Vibs, which is played by Lai June.
Yung revelation.
Tapos, yun, hubadero lang ako dito, lagi ako nakahubad. Hindi kasi yung init, kung mainit yung mga locations namin, biglang uulan, biglang araw ng sobra. Pero happy naman sa set, natatapos naman kami kahit na sobrang cover. Ginagawa.
Gusto kong marinig mamaya kay Direct Derek, yung pagkakatahi niya ng character. Ang ganda-ganda talaga. Ikaw yung parang...
Ako ba?
Hindi, ikaw yung parang naging konsensya. Baka doon lang kaya ko
Sige, makapakwento natin ang buong buo.
Okay. And then, okay. Next naman, I have to apologize. But still a queen. Please welcome Miss Gloria Diaz.
Why apologize?
Ay, hindi.
Taas ng energy ko ay Seb Romero.
I love her.
Ay, no. Kayo ha, judgmental.
Okay,
Go ahead,
okay.
you.
Okay, what's my role? Is that what you're asking me?
Would you like to tweet muna after mga viral videos mo sa TikTok and grabe, ang saya-saya ng mga I was watching you with Isabella. Ang dami yung mga nagka-viral na videos.
Ganon? I don't have TikTok yet eh. Anyway, hi everyone. Ang daming faces na hindi ko masyadong kilala. Some I know. You know, some faces are familiar. But many also are new. And I'm glad we're all alive and well. Okay.
Kasi pageant season na naman kaya naglalalabasan naman yung mga videos ni Miss Gloria. Winning moments ni Miss Gloria, di ba? How do you feel na parang tuwing season na ganito ikaw lagi, you're everywhere?
Is it? I'm not aware of that, but good. Para akong na-resurrect, parang Lazarus na nabuhay ulit. Di ba direct? Di ba? Until I'm 90. I'm going to be 74 on April 5.
Wow! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Birthday ni GMA. Di ba si President ni GMA?
Alam ko yun.
Ang saya-saya. Ang saya-saya.
70-50.
Alright. Before...
Okay. What is my role?
Yes! Bukod sa alam mo.
I am the supportive mother of Jody, and I own a carinderia that serves food and drinks and alcohol, and many of my scenes are there. And I live in a very old house, very kind of nice house, and I think my husband was not a very good man, so I'm always protective of Jody. I always build him up until she found out finally. And we have a small...
She was made to believe na the father is
he was a good person and everything.
only to find out na wala pa sa will find out.
Yes, and then of course, and I was very excited. The typical mother, same way I am about my daughters. Yung talagang believe, very supportive. Because I was so proud, so happy, kahit sino dyan, oy, alam mo, ang anak ko, reporter yan, ganito, ganyan.
Just like
Yeah, very typical.
typical
very
mom.
Typical mom. And all that. And kasi with my children, I always say, alam mo, si Beth, ganito, ganyan. And my daughter always says, thanks, mom. I know you're not biased.
lang din siya.
Ganito rin. Very, parang kayang-kaya ko yun, no? To be a supportive mother.
Thank you, Miss Yu.
Thank you.
Before the lead actors, I'd like to hear from Direct Derek.
Hapon po sa inyo lahat. Thank you for coming, guys. especially po sa lahat po ng pumunta. And then, yun po, maraming po salamat sa pag-support po ng Antol.
Uy, sumasama sa promotion. Sige, guys. Grabe siya. She's into movies talaga nowadays.
The woman in love.
Talaga.
In love with the work.
Thank you, Lala Flores, for the beautiful makeup. Si Miss Lala does her makeup the fastest. Miss Jody Santa Maria! Nagpapayaman ang gusto, may new online shows, kung anong daming she's
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for being here this afternoon. Sobrang na-appreciate po namin yung presence po ninyo, yung time na nilaan po ninyo ngayong hapon para makasama po kami dito sa aming munting media con. Kahit hindi talaga munting kasi sobrang masasabi ko, napaka-well attended. So maraming salamat po sa panahon na ibinigay niyo sa amin ngayong hapon.
Alright, thank you, Maren. Thank you for that.
Afternoon, and yeah, really thank you for coming and supporting Untold. It's always special seeing all of you here at this place. Nothing makes me feel closer to Remo and my grandmother than these events at Valencia. So thank you.
Kasi nung 33 decades ako, ganito pa lang siguro na they were already attending media cons, mga OGs, mga Miss Ian Palinia.
In your life na hindi nyo panasasabi in any ways, any time, pero gusto nyo sabihin ngayon, your biggest horror in your life. Parang it is untold, pero kung pwede nyo sabihin ngayon,
The question is for?
everyone.
Okay.
The biggest horror.
Can we?
This is a question. This is a question na I feel like kailangan pag-isipan siya ng maigi for me. Pero at the top of my head, medyo to makasan. The biggest horror event.
Parang ang gulatan naman kasi yun. Kasi horror niya, kaya gulatan din ang tanong.
Kasi when I think of horror, I think of something traumatic.
So gusto mong balikan ka namin, sagutin na muna ni
And then
Ian.
siguro sagutin ko na po ito. O Lian, mag-isip-isip ka na dyan siguro po yung death po ng grandfather ko, ng lolo ko, sa mom's
You
side.
witness it. When did this happen?
This is so dark. Pero yun po, basta, it was a very traumatic event. I feel like it's one of those things that I should keep personal. Pero dahil na the first one to answer, yun po yung nasa top ng mind ko. So,
Biggest horror yung taping tapos wala pang Eddie Garcia ng look. Pinaka-biggest horror.
Aga.
Taping, tapos wala pang AGM.
Anong time?
Ngayon kasi ang ganda na kasi everyone is really working in a really great environment. Pero dati, horror.
Okay. May ganun ba sa live show? Anong show? Hindi iwasan ko pero ako mag-re-
Na nangyari would be waking up na sobrang dami mong tawag, akala mo sa trabaho siya, pero nawala na pala yung daddy ko.
Kailan to, Joel?
During the shoot. Oo. Oh, kilala mo si daddy? Yun. So akala ko, inahanap ko sa taping, sa shooting, yung pala tumatawag na yung family ko. So, yun yung biggest horror na na-experience ko. Sa buong buhay ko. Okay. Pero sobrang mabigat siya na nakakatakot na parang kada gising ka, pag madaming tawag, parang feeling mo yung nangyari ko. So, horror.
Mukhang yun muna. Yun na yun.
Yun na.
Miss you! Dahil kasi masaya, parang wala namang horror na nangyari sa akin.
Wala, I guess, fear or phobia na before my two kids were married, my biggest fear na mabuti sila.
Ay, totoo yan. Yun nga lang, di ba? May karelasyon, di ba?
You have a boyfriend, married, so something like it. For myself, nothing naman happens all the time. I cannot think of anything
Sa
before.
parent, no, yun ang pinaka-fear mo na.
Yeah, maybe I think that's my
Not
biggest
for yourself, but for the kids.
Yeah. Hindi naman ako takot sa lahat.
Kaya,
Almost.
Paano? Joes!
ako siguro, ang dami iba-iba. Meron kang, syempre yung Nueva Lola House na wala ako doon. Kasi nasa shoot din ako noon. And then,
When was this, Maya?
it was in 2012. We were doing Be Careful With My Heart nung time na yun. Na inaabangan niya, but then one day bigla siyang namatay. So, hindi na niya nakita yun ever. And my lola was one of my biggest fans. So, yun. I guess isa pa sa horror is yung mga injustices na nakikita natin left and right.
In general.
In general, yan. And then, siguro, isa pa sa fear ko, tama si Tina, kapag magulang ka, iniisip mo yung mga maaaring
Nakwento mo sa akin. Sorry, please don't. Di ba?
sa anak mo.
Sa anak mo, okay.
Ganyan, oo. So, I think yun yung mga horrors and fears na meron ako as a person.
Alright. Juan Carlos yun eh, sagot mo na. Or
No, pero I feel like
serious na contest na sagot.
on a serious note though, I feel like I've gone through a lot, but the biggest horror siguro is didn't happen yet, and it's losing my lola. I feel like that's really, alam mo yung parang in the back of your head, kasi she's getting old, alam mo yun, so parang, wala. Yun siguro yung nasa
Important lola sa inyo siya, dad, lola.
Yeah.
Ray?